In today's fast-paced digital age, security and surveillance have taken a giant leap forward with the integration of artificial intelligence (AI) into network video recorders (NVRs). These technological marvels are changing the game when it comes to video surveillance. In this article, we'll delve into the basics of NVRs and explore how AI is transforming them in 2023. Network video recorders, commonly known as NVRs, serve as the backbone of modern video surveillance systems. Unlike traditional DVRs, digital video recorders, that record footage locally, NVRs are designed to capture, store, and manage video data over IP, Internet Protocol networks. This means that you can access your surveillance footage remotely, which is a significant advantage in today's connected world. The game changer in NVR technology is the integration of artificial intelligence. In 2023, AI-powered NVRs are making waves due to their ability to analyze and interpret video data in real time. Here are some key AI-driven features. AI algorithms can identify objects such as people, vehicles, or even specific objects like backpacks or umbrellas in video footage. This enables more precise and automated monitoring. AI can recognize unusual activities or behaviors in video streams, alerting security personnel to potential threats. This proactive approach enhances security significantly. Advanced facial recognition technology in NVRs can identify individuals, making access control and tracking of individuals more efficient. AI-powered NVRs can read license plates, enhancing parking lot security and traffic monitoring. AI-driven NVRs enable quick and efficient searches through vast amounts of video footage. You can find specific events or incidents with ease. The incorporation of AI into NVRs brings numerous benefits. AI's ability to detect anomalies and recognize objects improves overall security by reducing false alarms and response times. Automating surveillance tasks can reduce the need for extensive human monitoring, saving both time and resources. AI-powered NVRs generate valuable data insights, allowing for better decision-making and optimizing operations. Many AI NVR systems offer user-friendly interfaces that make it easier for users to navigate and manage their surveillance systems. In 2023, network video recorders are at the forefront of security and surveillance, thanks to the integration of artificial intelligence. These smart devices offer more than just video storage. They provide real-time analysis, proactive security measures, and data-driven insights. With AI-powered NVRs, you're not just watching your premises.